as we brief them. So, but, like pick-up lines. When he asks you a question, what do you answer? Bakit? Okay? Alright, go ahead, Jake.
Okay. 엔진, 카페 갈까요? 마사야, 카페가 카페일까요?
Let's go to Sungwon! Sungwon, spin our destiny. Alright, what could it be? Let's see what Sungwon is destined to do. Answer a secret question. Okay, so Sungwon, are you ready to reveal a secret?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So the question is, Sungwon, what is your TMI for today?
오늘은 일단 여러분들 만나서 기분이 너무 좋고요. 그리고 오기 전에 던킨로츠 매장에 가서 도넛을 많이 먹고 왔어요.
So first of all, I'm so happy to meet you guys today. And actually, before coming to this arena, we actually visited a Dunkin' store and had a lot of donuts today.
What was that? How did you eat the donuts? So how?
다시 한번
How?
문어 먹는 제철 체리.
문어 먹는 거야?